In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change company address in Odoo. We'll go through the process from the Odoo home screen all the way to saving the updated address, so you can make sure your company information stays accurate across your system. Keeping this information up to date is important because it can affect documents, records, and other business details shown inside Odoo. To begin, make sure you're on the home page in Odoo. This is your main dashboard area where you can access the different apps and administrative sections of the platform. Starting from the home screen makes it easy to navigate directly to the company settings you need. From there, click on Settings. This will open the main configuration area for your Odoo environment. The Settings section is where you manage system-wide options, including company information, user preferences, and general configuration tools. Once you're in Settings, click on General Settings. This section contains broad configuration options for your Odoo instance, and it's also where you can access company-level details. If you're looking for business identity information such as address, this is the right place to be. Inside General Settings, look for the Companies section. This area is specifically meant for managing company information. Depending on your setup, you may see details for the current company that is active in your Odoo environment. Next, click on Update Info. This opens the company record where you can make direct changes to the business details. If you're updating your address because of a relocation, correcting a typo, or entering more complete information, this is the screen where you'll do it. Now go ahead and edit the address fields. Carefully review the street address, city, state or region, postal code, and country if needed. It's a good idea to double-check the formatting before saving, especially if your company address appears on invoices, sales documents, or internal records. Enter the updated information exactly as you want it to appear in Odoo. After you've finished making the changes, click the Save icon. This confirms your update and stores the new company address in the system. Once saved, your revised address should be reflected anywhere Odoo pulls company information from this record. And that's it. That's how to change your company address in Odoo. If you're making other company detail updates as well, the same area is often where you can review and maintain them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.